Good morning, guys. It's Cody from Tri-State RV, and here is the Vengeance 348 A13. This unit is equipped with a generator. What's unique about the Vengeance is they actually put them on a wide body. It's going to be wider than anything else that I have. Residential fridge, nice fireplace, beautiful Thomas Paine couch. It is actually my #1 selling Vengeance. Good corner shower in the unit. Queen bed up front, second AC. "13-foot garage, 2 king-size beds in the back. It also has the rear deck patio system. The Vengeance 348.